To the weekend, well, the weather is about to change. My advice would be to make the most of the warm sunshine, which there will be tomorrow across parts of England and Wales, whereas for Scotland and Northern Ireland, a cloudier setup. And later on tonight, we will see some heavier outbreaks of rain turning up across the northwest Highlands in particular. A lot of dry weather elsewhere, turning quite misty, particularly towards the exposed western coasts of England and Wales. Quite a mild and muggy night out there. So first thing in the morning, most places dry, but it won't be dry across the west of Scotland. Some heavy rain for the northwest Highlands, where the further east it'll be drier. Chances of some brightness, I think, for Aberdeenshire and Fife. Maybe the odd spot of rain for Cumbria, but to the east of the Pennines, I think it should be a reasonable start to the day. Beautiful start for most of the Midlands, East Anglia and the South East. It's going to be a gorgeous day here and soon warming up. Many southern counties enjoying some warm sunshine first thing in the morning, but the risk, a bit like today, of some low cloud and mist drifting on to the coast of Cornwall and North Devon, spoiling things to some extent. And that risk is there for southwest Wales too, but further east across Wales, chance of some sunshine. Not much of that across Northern Ireland. A cloudy picture here, some dampness towards the north coast, and gradually as we go through the day we'll see a thicker cloud and some patchy rain drifting across other parts of Northern Ireland, other parts of Scotland too, but I think towards the end of the afternoon things should brighten up across the northern half of Scotland. The best of the sunshine though will be further south across the heart of England and Wales. It's going to be another hot one. Today we reached 26 degrees in London, every bit as hot again tomorrow, widely up into the low 20s across England and Wales. Even further north, Belfast, Aberdeen, not too bad, 16 Celsius despite rather more cloud and a bit of a breeze. By Friday, the chance of one or two thundery downpours as the rain hits the humid air across southern areas, but freshening up further north. As we go towards the weekend, there are going to be some fairly dramatic changes. Some way off, and the detail is not clear at this stage, but the general trend, I think, will be for a mostly dry start. And then it looks as if some proper wet weather will spill in from the west, some fairly heavy rain. Some strong winds too, which could well linger well on into Monday. And those winds eventually will come down from the north. Quite a chilly wind, and there'll be quite a shock to the system, I think, for many of us, because we'll lose the mid to high 20s, and some of us will struggle to get out of single figures later on this weekend. So some big changes ahead. Of course, that satellite